I think I just spent the first 2 minutes of recording this video trying to calm myself down enough to record this video. That's how frustrated I am with today. So welcome back to Driven Wyld. I have been driven wild for all the most frustrating reasons. Apparently everybody and their goddamn mother needs me for something. And the worst part is that I do it to myself because I'm trying to get so much shit done at the same time, but everybody needs me for something. And I get it. But like, I gotta get my own shit done too. It's to the point to where I can't even sit down to work on a video anymore because somebody needs me for something. I'm genuinely thinking about throwing out my entire YouTube schedule to like cut out a couple days or something, or at least like make a couple days a live stream or something so I could focus on something. Like literally today, and for no particularly bad reason at all, by the way. I'm not even saying that. I have been messaged by partners. I've been on the phone with people that I've been trying to get services from. I've been trying to get other people on the phone. And this is all par for the course for being in business for yourself. But holy shit, how is it this hard to get people to do a basic thing on their own? Like, really. And the worst part is that there are a lot of people getting basic things on their own that I am working with, but I'm still necessary somewhere. And then the most frustrating part of today is that I was talking to somebody about the landing page for the Build Your Own Delivery Service Provider course. And a lot of the things I kind of knew were kind of like hiccupy and things like that. And I knew that there are some things that I need to work on. The link's in the description, by the way. Feel free to join the course and let us help you build your own delivery service provider and create a six-figure income in 90 days of focused hard work. And it felt like when I'm explaining things to him, and he's doing this, I know, because he's trying to teach me some sales stuff and sales concepts. But I am not a salesperson, and I am fully aware of that. I am a firm believer in results always sell, and integrity is more important than anything. And maybe that's my negative outlook towards sales as a concept. But holy shit, I am so frustrated with people. And what I was trying to explain to him is what we could do is that we can create a post that kind of outlines everything. He basically said, no, let's not do that. Let's do exactly what you said with different words and make it sound like it's his idea. I almost burst a blood vessel because there's nothing more frustrating than somebody saying your idea is bad, but me saying your idea in my own words is a better idea. Because I was gonna fucking lose it if I even approached that subject. I get where he's coming from. All of that makes sense. It's just, I fucking can't with him. Anyway, I'm gonna try to cool down my head before I burst a gasket. Hope you guys had a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.